How would you like to be able to use derivative control properly and improve your temperature controllers? In this video we're talking about derivative action. It's often the most underused type of control out of the PID. People are often afraid to use it. They may have tried it once and got some poor results, but that's often because it's not used properly. First, you should tune the controller, if you're using trial and error, by PI control only. But derivative action can actually improve the control, particularly if you have dead time. The types of loops that benefit from derivative action are often temperature controllers and occasionally vapor pressures, which also have some dynamics associated with them. A step test can be used to determine what the dynamics are. You put the loop in manual and then you make a small step to the valve output, typically between 1 and 5%. Normally 2 or 3% valve movement is a good amount to use, but it depends on the process and you should be careful. But let's say you make a small move of 2 or 3%, you'll see that the PV will move. After the dead time's finished, you'll start to see the lag and then you'll get to a new steady state. By observing the dead time you can estimate the derivative action that you require, and the rule of thumb is typically 1/5 to 1/10 of the dead time. So if you have a dead time of 1 minute, then you may find that 6 to 12 seconds is a good starting point. You can do some trial and error from there onwards. If you have a very large amount of dead time, you will find that no amount of derivative will help, because you'll get to a point where the loop will go unstable. The other thing you have to worry about with derivative is that the loop shouldn't be too noisy. But of course, if it is noisy, you can always use a filter to filter out some of the noise first. Fortunately, the loops that usually benefit the most from derivative, which are temperatures, are not normally noisy tags. So normally you're in a good place to use derivative action if you need to. For more information about our services, go to newlandcontrol.com.